Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the Chief Product Owner. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in Scrum and Agile methodology, you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So friend, today's topic is Chief Product Owner. I'm sure, friend, that you have heard about this topic or this term, Chief Product Owner. Basically, Chief Product Owner is a role in the Scrum methodology or Scrum framework. So, like I'm sure that you have heard, about that there are three main roles. One role is the Scrum team, Product Owner, and the Scrum Master. There are three roles in the Scrum team in the Scrum framework. Now here, if you just see that how where it comes the Chief Product Owner, like there are like product owners who are looking into the product, like different, for example, one product, second product, third product, and above that product line owners or product line managers, and above that Chief Product Owner is there. So that means whatever the product owners are doing, so they are reporting to Chief Product Owner, and Chief Product Owner on the above level is basically looking into all the product owners. So Chief Product Officer or CPO owner is a corporate title referring to an executive who leads the entire product organization. Alternatively, the CPO is known as VP of Product or Head of Product. A CPO is responsible for the strategic product direction. Usually, it includes the product vision, product innovation, product design, product development, project management, and product marketing. In many technology companies, this position also provides distribution, manufacturing, and procurement. In a nutshell, the Chief Product Owner leads a project product management (PM) team in building great products that deliver sustainable value to the business. From the early stages of developing a new product concept to beyond product launch, a CPU balances the needs and goals of both the product and the business. Now, what is the difference between Chief Product Owner and other product leaders? Friend, the Chief Product Owner oversees all of a company's product related matters. The departments they manage range from product management to user experiences, UX research and design to product analytics. The Chief Product Owner supervises key product management leaders, for example, Director of Product Management, Director of UX, the Head of Product Analytics, and the Director of Product Marketing. It is the CPO, Chief Product Owner's responsibility to ensure that these key roles are being performed efficiently and are aligned with the organization's vision and strategy. The Chief Product Owner also serves as an important mentor for other product management personnel. They play a crucial role in influencing a product organization's culture and strategic direction. Now, here a very important and interesting question, that all organizations, do they need a Chief Product Owner? Friend, see, it depends on the culture and it depends on the size of the organization. If the size of the organization is very big, like for example there are so many products are going, so it depends on the size and complexity of the products. So an organization that places a priority on cultivating a product excellence mindset, a customer focused framework for developing an impactful product, should have a CPO, Chief Product Owner. Like it depend, friend, totally depend that your organization need a Chief Product Owner or not. Because if there are already product owners are there who are working, and so there is a question, it's very tricky that you need, as an organization, do you need a Chief Product Owner or not. Now the key objectives of a Chief Product Officer or Owner. For a Chief Product Owner must simultaneously have a broad view of many company goals, needs, and success, and maintain in-depth focus on a product's objectives, needs, and success. CPU primary objectives include leading the PM organization, product management organization, supervising product management and mentoring their team, creating a team vision and strategy for the entire product management organization, marketing and in visualizing products from concept to launch, research that leads to informed decision making across the organization. Okay, so here, friend, I'm sure that one thing you have definitely noticed, that basically a chief product owner is basically not only the head of the product owner. Okay, he is basically the head of the product. For example, if you have a product which has like 4 to 5 streams are there, and like for example 4 to 5 product owners are working under you as a chief product owner, so basically you are a person who has the understanding that what is the vision of the product, where you want to go, and how your product will go on. And from a concept, from initialization till the launching in the market, as a chief product owner you are looking all the things and you are heading the product vision actually. Now, how to become a chief product officer or owner? The path to becoming a CPU is extensive in terms of education and experience. Obviously, it's a very critical role, it's a very strategic role. So, obviously, it requires lots of experience, lots of knowledge, and lots of basically we can say vision is there. So, chief CPO generally have a significant level of education and advanced degrees. Typically, there are in areas such as business, admin, economics, IT, product management, marketing, psychology, engineering, and other related fields. They also bring many years of high ranking experience within product management to their role, as well as excellent communication, leadership, and analytical skill. Friend, here remember one thing, that as a chief product owner, you would definitely needs lots of experience and lots of knowledge, but the most important thing, first you have a clear vision that what product you want to build. Secondly, you have a very good communication and leadership knowledge required, because chief product owner is a role of a leader actually. He is a leader of the product actually, product team actually, and he is the leader of the product owners as well. So basically, as a chief product owner, your communication, your leadership, and your analytical skills should be very excellent. Okay, in that way only you can proceed. You can belong to any domain, like for example product management, project management, technical, whatsoever it is, but most important thing is that like your communication should be very excellent in that domain. Only then you can survive, you can proceed. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and if you have any question, please do ask me from me in the comment section. I would love to answer your queries and questions. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, thanks a lot for friends for watching the video.